So we also included a lot of different types of flowers like this that you can make with different materials. We have some pipe cleaner here, some petals cut out of cardstock or construction paper, all attached with a dowel rod. So fun little flowers. What we would do is we would put together kits, and people would take these home on the weeks leading up to VBS and with a sample, and they would take a kit home and bring back a whole bunch of these flowers, and then we're just poking them in the back of the cardboard boxes. Then when we look up here to the ceiling, you see we wrapped some vines. This is craft roll paper, some vines that are cut out. Here's a lot more of those stamped out flower petals that you use with the punches, and they're different sizes, and in between these, they're on a piece of string or a piece of floral wire or a piece of fishing line. There's little sections of drinking straw in between those. And then there's even some of these jewels or plastic beads at the bottom to make these flowers. And so we made a few of these different viney arrangements. We're hanging them from the ceiling there with some floral wire. We have several of those as we go down this hallway. We made some thatched roofing out of just pieces of construction paper. Seeing here, we're using a couple of different colors of brown and green to just create this long thatched roof line that you might see maybe on the top of a farmhouse in in Ireland. And so as we head down this hallway, you'll see more of the same with our vines, more grasses coming up. We actually made some interesting trees as well. You'll see a few of these around, where this is a painted piece of cardboard mounted to a board back here. And then we just use paper chains to be the leaves of these trees. So we have several of these as you go on. And you can see it was just a simple way of painting bark on the tree. And continuing to see similar things that I've shown you before. This is a rock wall paper or type of like a scene setter that you can purchase online. We've just wrapped that around some empty cardboard box. So that's an easy way to make a rock wall. Add some flowers to it. Down here, these are some paper, little purpley flower things here, just made out of like crinkle paper that are put on a skewer as well, right there. So a few of those boxes around. Of course, we got some clover punches and everything like that. More clouds, different sizes, more trees, more animals, just kind of repeating some of the same things as we go down this Ireland hallway. And here's one of my absolute favorite things that we made, this beehive. And it's kind of a little show stealer here. I'll tell you a little bit about it. On the inside of here are a couple of the floral foam blocks that have been shaped into this hive shape. The paper is the brown craft paper that has been twisted, just like you would twist vines, and then wrapped around, and it was hot glued, hot glued, hot glued, hot glued. The bees that are coming off of it are being held with floral stems or floral wire, like an 18 gauge wire. And you'll see again, these are foam balls. The bees are made out of foam balls that have been painted. There's a piece of toothpick connecting those two pieces together, and then some little wings that were cut out of like plastic, okay, or paper. You could cut out paper and you glue those together. You have a toothpick in the middle, and we have all of those going out. So that's a really fun way. Here's another type of tree that instead of using paper chains, we did the stamped out clovers on this one and added some butterflies as well.